Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing of the Fossils automatic watch, that is ME3154. And this watch is usually out of stock guys on online and even on their page, etc. So I got this on Amazon luckily, and I'm just going to do the unboxing, and I've been using this for about 6 months. So if you want to buy this particular watch, you can check out the link in the description to get it from Amazon. And opening this particular box guys, I feel the inside box really looks amazing with this gold color. And Fossil is a US manufacturer who used to import watches from China. And let me just open and show you what else is in the box. Also, you all can follow us on WhatsApp and at this particular link guys. And there is a community where we share latest tips and tricks, and this is how it looks. And the ME3154, sometimes the names are getting confusing guys. And I've been using this watch for the 6 months, for the past 6 months, so I think I'm in the right position to tell you whether to get this particular watch or not. And I have many watches from Fossil, including their smartwatches, the Gen 5 and all. And I'd been using it for quite a long time. And the one thing what I like about Fossil is their build quality, and the fit and finish, etc. So this particular dial is 48 millimeter. I think this is one of the biggest dial in my collection. And let me just get rid of the stickers. By the way, the watch band is around 24 millimeter, which is not like a standard kind of thing. And let me just show you some other text also, which is having the MRP of this particular watch is around 20,000 in India, but I got it for 10,500 with cards, offers and all. So do keep an eye if you get some nice offers and all on this particular watch. And this watch is looking amazing guys, and it is one of the gorgeous watches in my collection. And this does not feel like a watch, in fact it just feels like a jewelry, by looking at it. As you can see, the shine, etc. is really great. And let me just show you the belt quality also. And they says this is something called as luggage leather. So I believe the luggage leather comes from the word where they are saying it is from their bag collection and all. And I kind of like it. And this leather straps, after using for 6 months guys, it is still in pristine condition. And there are some tricks and all. And by the way, this is the back of the Fossil watch. And as you can see, this is a rotor which automatically charges your watch, and this is automatic, so there is no battery obviously. And this is 20 jewels, which is from China. And you get Japanese also, I guess, so I'm not so sure about it. But the time reserve of this watch is around 36 to 40 hours guys. You won't get much more than that. So for example, if you are starting your day at like 9 o'clock in the morning, so it the next day till like 6 p.m. it might not last. And you again have to give this like a recharge kind of thing, and you just have to rotate this particular crown to get this watch working. So the main drawback of all these automatic watches guys is you have to keep on setting the time after 2 to 3 days. And this is the main, I think, drawback of all the automatic watches. So let me just set the time and show you how it looks. And personally I kind of like it, and especially the dial quality is of very high quality guys. And if you want to get this watch, again check out the link in the description where I'll be putting the Amazon link. And in my case guys, this is the best automatic watch you can get. There are others also which comes with like 46 or 44 millimeter. This is the largest 48 millimeter dial. And personally I'm getting like a backup of around, as I said, 36 hours. So it's not a big deal. So every alternate days, even if you wear this particular watch, it is not going to disappoint you. And as you can see, the seconds and all is below. There is one small dial which shows you seconds. And this is just the hour and the minute thing. And let me just put and show you. And by the way, the band is 24 millimeter, and it is very comfortable in my opinion. And I'd been using other watches of Fossil with a kind of similar band, but this band is having some great quality materials, and the feeling is quite different guys. Also, you have to adjust this particular buckle like manually over here, set this apart. In my case, what I did over here, and once you get this particular watch fitted properly, and in my opinion, frankly, you should wear this watch a bit snug, guys, so that it is not loose, because it's a big watch. And as you can see on my wrist also, it looks kind of big, but not extremely big. It is just like a manageable. And even if you have a small wrist, guys, so don't worry, you can definitely go for this. And I personally feel like this is the most comfortable watch in my collection. And definitely you should check out other automatic watches from Fossil. By the way, this is not a paid review from Fossil, so I got this watch out of my own money. And this is the luggage leather strap which is there on this particular watch, and it is very classic. And I'd been wearing this with suits and other formal wears, and I got tons of compliment for this particular watches, guys. And basically Fossil have done a very good job at this particular ME 3154, and it's a big watch. Personally, it is one of my favorite, and especially wear this watch with a navy blue suit with something like a burgundy Oxfords, and that would look one of the best combination in the history. So I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please check out these other videos which we have it. Let me know in the comments below what do you think about this particular watch, the Fossil ME 3154. And again guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.